Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here is a dog fennel that I harvested 2 days ago. It's been drying out in the back of the Camry. Believe it or not, this fat end was 5/8 of an inch thick, and now it's shrunk up to about 5/16. It's going to be difficult for me to drive a spindle this thin, but let's give it a try. Let's break it off at about 20 inches. And this is just a piece of pine. I've already got a divot in there. Let's give it a try. I think though that I'll want some of this pine sap off of this pine tree. There it is. I had to go to the next pine tree up to get it. And I put it right on my calluses here and here. Let's see if we can get our burn in now. All right, dog fennel on pine fireboard. Just harvested it 2 days ago. Let's process up some pine needles now. Make some pine needles dust. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.